So I got this job here. I looked at it the other day and there was only about, I don't know, like 7 trees marked here. So between the point of time I looked at it the other day and then got back, they added, looks like, about 30 something more trees to what they wanted to cut down. There's flagging everywhere. I'll show y'all here in just a minute. So we're about to get busy. I'm gonna be running the Husqvarna a good bit today. 562 to start off with. Then on some of the larger trees, I'll swap over to the 500i and run it some. So I'll show y'all. See all the orange and green flagging? It's a bunch. Of course, these trees are still live, but a lot of them are not any good. They're just got a lot of root rot and stuff at the bottom of them. See that one right there? This one right here. These are old post oaks. We're obviously about to cut. See that one down there, that green flag one right there? It's got a big bad spot on it. A lot of them, the tops are gone out of them too, and some of them. So we're gonna get started. Gonna be grinding some of the stumps too. I don't think all of them. I know I'm gonna grind all these that are up here around the driveway. I doubt I grind them out there, but I will if he wants them to though. And we got 2. It's the same job. I've done cut all of them that away. Also, this is a stump grinding job. I've ground all the stumps back up this way. I've cut. You can see the mounds of mulch down through there. I still got to push them in, get that done. But I piled all the trees there. This is not a cleanup job for me. They're going to clean it up, and they're going to have the work cut out for them. So you got to cut those 2 over there and that giant sweet gum. But I'm gonna knock both of these down. I've been running a 562 a lot, then I had to sharpen the chain one time on it. Was running a 400, now I'm running a 500. Running square ground on both of those saws, on the 400 and 500, and the chain is pretty much, it needs some serious attention on the 400 now. But so I have retired it for today. I run it a bunch yesterday and cutting off some stumps, and so I kind of sacrificed that chain on stumps. And this one right here has got some curvature going on with it, and the base of it is bad. God dog it. So what I'm gonna do on this one, on the left of that pile right there, hope the hinge hold. Thank goodness there's nothing over here to hit, because a bunch of these trees have been they just been shattering like glass. The tops are not real good, and this in here top still okay, but yeah, I'm gonna get these. That's an elm that I'm on right now, and that's a hickory over there. I done cut a bunch of hickories over here so far today. Let's see what happens. I'll cut it off up high, and then I'll come back with the 562, cut this stuff off on it. Show y'all what this tree looks like. See that big one? I've got it notched and bored. Notched it with a 592 and I bored it with a 500. So that power line right here is back leaning over the fence pretty bad. We're gonna see what happens. I may end up whacking this power line right here. We'll see. I'm gonna spin around this way. I got a ditch behind me back here too. Crash right there, a big crash, and it's the wind coming off that thing. I hate trees like that that's back leaning real bad, man, because they can, if you're ever gonna cut a back leaner and you're gonna pull it, always make sure you put a good open face notch in it. I mean a big one, to give it enough room for the hinge to work. It broke one limb up there in the top of that oak. I see it up there hanging. If that's the only thing it hurt, I'm good with that. I can get that limb down. I'll get it down later. I'll run my lift over here, set it up, go up, cut that one out real quick for them. Let's undo my roots. I pulled it with the 5/8 stable braid. So if you want ropes and rigging ropes, always buy the stable braid. They make another, it's a little bit cheaper rope. It's made by, I think it's made by the same people that make the stable braid. And I've got one of them. I tried it in 1/2 inch. Me and Chris ain't real crazy about it. The stable braid just has the feel that we like. And so if you're gonna buy, it's just a few bucks more to go up to get the stable braid. Always get the stable braid to work with. That's some bad stuff, and it's good stuff too. Yeah, so yeah, I'll undo this rope and I'll take y'all up there and I'll show you the stump. That tree was huge. God, that thing's gonna take forever to grind right there too. See, I had it notched up from the bottom too. It's a hinge. That was a monster. I just broke that one limb up there.